Hello YouTube, this is Arnold8351, and as I promised you, I will be reviewing my P90. I just got it today, about an hour ago. I have opened the box, and I'll show you what it comes with inside, and just hold on a sec. Okay guys, so inside you get instruction manual and target setup shooting, and then a target. The other target is over here. We'll be shooting at this and later. And then it comes with red dot sight, flashlight, rails on the side and top, small package of .12 gram BBs. They're pretty crappy, but we will be using them just for target practice. It's like one of them fell out. And you do have to screw on the red dot sight to the top. And then it comes with a suppressor, plastic, and a sling. And then some pretty crappy goggles. And then battery recharger. And the battery itself, which is very tightly put in there. Now I will be moving up front to show you more, and of course the gun itself is included. Okay guys, so it also comes with a cleaning and unjamming rod, and this is the mag. It's a 400 round mag. Now here's how to load it. You pull it back and there should be a hole in there. And then I have no idea where these BBs are coming out from. Oh, right up here there's a hole in the top. Now, just load the BBs in. Usually I recommend using a speed loader. Right now, oh yeah, and you have to tilt it this way, otherwise the BBs will fall out. So we're just gonna shoot a couple BBs. This gun only has full auto. It does not have semi. So that should be good. Now obviously to load it in, slide it in, give it a good smack. Now it does load from the rear, so usually you can't be tilting it like this unless you have a full mag. So the battery is in the back here, a little lever here, pull that down, and this should just pop right open. Like this. Then you put the battery in by hooking it up with this. And just because they thought Americans might be retarded, they put shapes on this to match them up. No, just kidding. But the battery goes right down in here. It fits pretty well. Back up and it locks. And then in here you can't really see it, but the safety is here. So right now it's on and off. The rail up here, you can also put other stuff on besides the red dot. It's only full auto, like I said. So we will be testing the accuracy now at that target. And let's check it out. Okay. So, I don't know, it's not that accurate, but it's a great CQB weapon. It does come with a sling, so my main purpose for it will just be having it on my back. And there. So let's check out what it did. So I had to get a little bit of a hang for it, so of course I'm not going to be as accurate as it might be some other way with somebody else that's experienced, but got okay accuracy. So it's definitely a CQB weapon. You're not gonna want to use it as your main weapon. So overall, good gun. Let's get a look at the contents again here, and red dot sight comes out there and is turned on like this. It's pretty good. So I'll put that on later, and then next time I'll be playing some Nazi zombies with my friend, and I'll see you guys later.